Breathe in. Move. Listen. Invite Jesus to your space. Welcome to Wuxi, China, and your quick and effective 5-minute arm workout. I will only be using body weight and the resistance of gravity, but feel free to use any added resistance of your choice. Stand up, sit down, whatever makes you feel comfortable, and if you're ready, then let's begin. Raise those arms up nice and wide to a T level. Rotate through the wrists, palms facing forward and back. Lift through the crown of the head, pull the belly up into the spine. Isolate those movements through the deltoid, bicep, tricep. Continuous breath flowing through, never hold the breath. Get ready for angel pumps up and down. Press, 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 press. Really lift through the torso. Shoulders pull down away from the ears. Find a drishti point, a point of concentration, a mantra, or an intention when your mind wants to walk away. Stay with it. Get ready to lift those arms to the sky. Inhale, lift, and down. Inhale, exhale. Press like you're moving through thick mud or heavy water. Find the resistance in your own body weight. Create it there. Find a focal point and breathe. You're doing a beautiful job. Core is strong. Last lift, and we'll bring it forward. Open and back up to the sky. Forward, open, and lift. Forward, open, and lift. Good. Use that control, that point of concentration. Find your breath. Shoulders out from the ears. Your core is strong. Navel up into spine. Don't lose sight of the focus. Just a few more right here. Breathe into the space. Last one here, hold center and start to move from the wrist only, front and back, focusing on the strength of the wrists and forearms. Maybe we do a little right and left using our right and left brain. So if you do any sort of plank exercises or yoga, chaturangas, this is a beautiful exercise to strengthen the wrists. Great job. Open your arms and beach ball press back. Open the starfish fingers, palms of your hands. Stay tall through the crown. Belly pulls up in spine. Switch it direction. Forward presses. Press, press, press. Tiny little movements. Lots of length and strength. Just a few more. You're doing great. Keeping the arms exactly where they are, hinge only at the elbows. Roll the shoulders down away from the ears. Make the arm movement pure, coming from the deltoid, the bicep, the tricep, and the forearm. This is only 5 minutes, so stay with me. Core is strong. Pull that belly up into the spine. Open it up and pause. Again, front rotation to back rotation. Don't lose height of the arm. You can do it. Steady momentum. Stay focused, stay determined. And again, the core is your powerhouse. Lift the arms up to the sky and pull down. Hold steady here, side to side movements, working into the oblique muscles. Where is your focus? Find that head over heart, heart over pelvis, movement slow and steady through the obliques, side to side. Hold center, you did it. Take a deep breath up to the sky, and then exhale, come to all fours. We'll move right into our tricep push-ups, knees on the floor, elbows in, down, and lift. Make sure the shoulders are in line with the hips in line with the knees. The neck is a natural extension of the spine. Bend at the elbows, let them almost rub the sides of your ribs. Good. Exhale on the very hardest part, which is the lift. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Gently shift over to the bottom, sit down on your mat, come to a tabletop pose, shoulder in line with the wrists, knees in line with the ankles. Extend one leg, dip at the elbows only, knee comes in and presses out, focusing on the tricep itself. Press out through the leg, quadriceps are strong, shoulders pull down away from the ears. The exhale comes on the hardest part, the lift. Inhale lower, bend at the elbow and press. Try to get those hips up high to the sky. Switch legs, other leg extends. Let's go down and up. Exhale and inhale. Exhale, press. Inhale down. Extend. Stay long, stay strong through the triceps. Lift those hips as high as you can. Good, just a few more to go. You're doing a great job. Feel the burn in the back of the triceps and release full incline plank or a modified tabletop. Lift and open the heart, extend, breathe. Beautiful chest opener, and gently release. Let's do a forward fold. Hip hinge at the waist, never the lumbar spine. Open the heart and lead with light through the crown of the head. Gently come on up. We'll square off and close off this practice in an easy seated pose. Roll out the shoulders, the head, or the neck, anything that's tense or tight there that we strengthened. Maybe it's an arm across the chest to stretch out the deltoid muscle. Recover your body in the way that it needs. If you need a quick 15-minute heart-opening upper body practice, check out the link below. Inhale, reach those arms high to the sky. Exhale, check in. The light in me honors the light in you. Have a beautiful day. Namaste. If you enjoyed this quick 5-minute practice, give it a thumbs up, subscribe below for more Christ-centered videos your way. Have a beautiful day. We'll see you soon.